Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today I'm going to show you how to style some spring trends I've been seeing. I've realized that I think I want to start kind of going back to how my old outfits were and just be a bit more chill and practical. So if these seem boring to you, let me know, but I want to like style spring trends in a real way. I don't want to style them in a way that I know I'll never wear in real life or you'll never wear in real life. But before we get into this video, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Neutrophone for sponsoring this video. Oh hey, good morning. This isn't coffee, it's orange juice. I wanted to take a moment and talk about our sponsor Neutrophone. As you can tell, my hair is still wet. It's 8 a.m. I've been up since 5 with baby. I just wanted to talk about a new thing in my routine that I've been loving, and that's Neutrophone. So when I was pregnant, I was taking prenatals. If you're a mom, you probably know that once like baby comes, everything is just gone. All your routine, taking care of yourself, everything goes to baby. But what I didn't realize was, especially with how crap I'm eating, with not having time to cook and stuff like that, it's really important that I'm still taking a vitamin, especially with breastfeeding. Nutrafol has a postpartum vitamin. The fact that this is literally curated for postpartum makes me know I need to take it, and it just my morning routine. I have a cup of orange juice, I drink my greens, and I have my postpartum multivitamin. With postpartum, a lot of people lose hair or just have really weird like symptoms and side effects, whatever you want to call it, from just having a baby. And my hair has never grown this fast. It's longer than it ever has been. No, it's longer than it's been in a really long time. And I'm not losing hair. This is the #1 vitamin for hair growth. It's drug-free, all natural, and they're made with medical grade ingredients. My hands are so dry, I'm sorry. So many people like scared me about postpartum and was like, your hair's gonna fall out in chunks, your hair's gonna look like crap. And I feel like I've never been more like glowy and my hair growing faster. I can't help but think it's because of these vitamins. I literally get comments all the time where you guys still say like, oh my god, Lainey, you're glowing. And I'm like, if you're implying that I'm pregnant again, I'm not. 90% of women saw overall improvement in their hair in just 6 months. It targets the root cause of hair thinning, such as hormone stress or poor nutrition. And I think all 3 of those apply to me right now. So if you guys are postpartum or just have hair thinning, you want to see some results with your hair, you can click the link in my description and get $50 off your first 3-month subscription. So thank you again to Nutrafol for sponsoring this video. Just look at my hair again. Air dried, still not dry though. And let's get into the rest of the video. So first trend I talked about, and it's just such a basic one, but I just want to show you guys whatever, are black tube socks instead of white tube socks. So super easy. Okay, so this is like a super basic way to wear it. Just a white t-shirt, black tube socks, little loafers, and jean shorts. This is a bit more summery, so I'm gonna add like a sweater, I think. I feel like with an outfit like this, I would just pair my Birkin basket because I think like a black bag would match well, but I kind of just want the socks and shoes to be black. So there's this outfit. This is such an easy spring outfit. And do you get what I mean? Like, it's boring. It's a bit more basic than what I've been showing on my channel. I feel like I was just so excited to start playing with clothes again after being pregnant and having nothing fit me for so long that I got a little carried away. But I'm gonna turn you guys, but that's better. But I feel like these are like true outfits that I would definitely wear. So that's what I want to show you guys. I don't feel like I have to show black socks styled a bunch of different ways. Okay, so I have black boots on right now, but I kind of think brown will work better with these pants. Or I guess they're tan. I just ate, and it's making me like out of breath, but I gotta film now. Do you guys have Pancheros where you live? Or just Chipotle and Keto? But we have Pancheros in Michigan, and it's so good, and I just finished a bowl, and it's like taking a lot of energy in me to digest it, I think. Okay. So I wanted to show skinny scarf, and this was actually the skinny scarf I just got off Whatnot. If you've seen, bless you Lucy, if you would have seen my haul, and I wanted to pair it with a black tube top, and I think it looks really cute like this. It like dresses up the outfit a bit more, so you can pair it with a pair of like heeled boots, and I actually do like this boot way better than a black boot. And then probably not basket. I don't know if I want to do a black bag, Probably a black bag. This one's from the Vintage Plug on Instagram, and there's the outfit. Abercrombie jeans, I think this tube top's like H&M, and then these thrifted heels boots that I've had for so long that are so good. I think that this is a fun but like simple and effective outfit. You guys have seen me style these cargos down a bunch, so I wanted to dress them up a little bit for the springtime. Next outfit. I was gonna say something, I can't remember. I was gonna say that this could very easily go with a pair of jeans, but I want to do a whole video on this. Sometimes switching out like basics like that, like only one piece in the outfit, for something a bit more different and unique, can make it look like you tried a lot harder than you did. Okay, so this isn't a trend I talked about, and I've just kind of started seeing it a lot more on Pinterest and stuff, but it's these flouncy like baby doll tops. This one is from Revolve. I got it last year. I don't think it's available anymore. Like, these style tops are just my favorite. I love puff sleeves, which definitely is trending, and they're just like blousey tops. I really like how they look with a pair of baggy jeans. This is something that I'm gonna wear all the time this spring and summer. I wore it a lot, the top on its own, last spring and summer, but these jeans didn't fit, so I'm really happy they fit again. I dressed it in a more preppy way with loafers and the little puff headband, and then I'd probably do the basket, but I wanna show you guys like wearing this top in a more dressed down chill way too. Okay, so now we've given this top and pants just a totally different vibe, and this is probably how I'd wear it more likely. Actually no, the other one's still so practical to me. I switched out the loafers for Samba, so I like the black, and I added a big tote bag instead of the basket, just as a little more practical. This one's from Orson Iris, and I got it to say, or embroidered baby mama on it, because I thought that was cute, and it was like my first thing I bought when I found out I was pregnant. There's the same look, but different font. Okay, so we're gonna be keeping on these jeans for a few more outfits. I didn't say, but I thrifted them. They're from the brand Route 66, but they're little boys, and they're just like my favorite jeans. I would wish I could find them in every color, but there's no style of them because they're little boys. I got this poncho from Whatnot. I showed it in, again, my recent haul. And then the loafers, I don't know if I said again, they're little boys Sperry topsiders, and they're my favorite. I don't know why I like little boys clothes, but I think ponchos, you know, crochet and knit is obviously so trendy, and capes have been set to trend like in the fashion world for so many times they've been predicted, and I've got one to show later. But I think that the poncho is so fun. I think it's adorable, and to pair it with like the basket just makes sense. It's a cute look. I think with jeans, shorts, it'll be really cute, skirts, and like even just throwing it on a swimsuit as a cover up. Oh, I really like it. Insanely cute. Denim on denim is set to be like a trend prediction again, but you guys know on this channel, we've been rocking the Canadian tuxedos for a minute now because I just think they're so easy, so fashion forward. I thrifted this Eddie Bauer vest last year, I think, and it has quickly become one of my favorites, or I guess has still been one of my favorites. I need to tighten. Oh, that's as tight as it goes. I think for the springtime, if it's a bit warmer, denim vest, denim pants. So these were not like a set that I thrifted together. They're still like a little bit off, but they're good enough. It looks so good. Probably just a tote. I don't like that at all. I don't like that. I like that. There it is. I put on the cape with the jeans and I was like, wow, this is ugly and I don't like it. And I was like, maybe it just looks good on Amanda because she's Amanda, my friend who's my inspo for this. And I put it on with the cheetah pants, and I feel like just like a more fitted bottom works with it. I think like a mini skirt would be really cute as well, or like, you know, a dress under the cape. I feel like from the side, like it looks cute, like just keeping your arms tucked, but obviously if you have to carry a purse, like that looks weird to me. I feel like I would keep my arm in unless like I'm holding something. I don't know, let me know your opinions on this. The cape is from Whatnot. The cheetah pants are from Depop or Poshmark, and then you guys know the others. Oh, this is from eBay or Etsy. I can link one below for you guys. It's just a Jane Birkin basket. I want to try it with a mini skirt, so let's do that. Or maybe the shorts. I think that's cute. I like that. So basically we just took the part of the first outfit. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, the last outfit also is a bit questionable, but you know how like the skirts over pants trend is a thing? I like it sometimes, and I want to see if I can recreate that with the stuff I already have. So let's do it. I already don't like it. I don't like it. I'm trying to think if I can fix it. I don't think so. Yeah, maybe it's just not for me. I guess we're ending on a bad note because I hear Lucy and I just want to hang out with her. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out Neutrophone. Use the link in my description box, and I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Let me know if you like these more tame outfits or if you want to see crazy ones again. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.